today's video, we'll be learning how to do a YouTube banner on your iPhone using two or three simple apps. It's very easy. As you can tell, here I downloaded the template for YouTube size, and then we're going to go into Photo. We're going to do a plain image. We're going to choose a white image. We're going to choose the custom size. It's going to be 2560 by 1440. Now we're going to go into add image, and then we're going to add the template. We're going to make sure that's the correct size. So now we're going to create another white image. We're going to customize the size to be 2048 by 1152. And then we're going to use and save. And now that is the correct size for the banner size. So now that we've got the correct size, we're going to go to We Heart It, I'm sorry. And we're going to find the nice background picture. I typed in Tumblr backgrounds, and then you can just choose any picture, anything you want, but I went with the leaf-like. I don't know how you would explain that, but I went with that background. There are a million ones to choose, but I mean, it's just something simple for your page. So we're going to go back to the Photo app, and then we're going to actually add that image in. And then we're going to size it. I had to adjust mine a little bit. I had to adjust my width and my height as well in order to get it the exact size of the desktop. So once I did that, I deleted the template because it's no longer needed as long as I got the size right. And then as you can see, I'm adjusting the width of it again to make sure it's the right size. And once we get the right size down, like exactly the perfect size, you can start to add text, different pictures and everything. So as you can see here, I added my YouTube name, Sierra Lachey, and then you can customize any kind of with fonts, the style, however you name it. So this may take a little longer simply because it's the way you want it to be for your channel. So I'm just going to fast forward this part, and then we'll pick back up. So next is adding pictures. Now this isn't mandatory, but if you want to add pictures, you can. I went to the eraser app. I went and scrolled and found a picture that I liked, one of my favorite pictures in my phone, and then this is honestly like, this app is another version of Photoshop, but it's a free version. So pretty much all you're gonna do is select the eraser, and you're gonna pretty much take out the background. It's very tedious, so you have to have patience while doing this. As you can tell, it wasn't as perfect for mine because I was trying to get this to upload this video. It's not gonna be perfect, but you want it to be as crispy or as clean as possible to make it look professional-like. So it takes a little time. I'm probably gonna fast forward this part too because it's just getting the white space or the background out. So once you pretty much got your picture as transparent as you can, we're going to save it and go back to the Contour app, and then we're going to add it. I'm going to add the picture twice so I can have like the effect on both sides. And then I'm going to adjust the size to what is, I'm going to adjust it, I can't talk. I'm going to adjust it to the size that I want. Like I said, this is my style. You may have a different style than I do. As you can tell, I also added like the different things I do on my channel. You can even add your Instagram handle, like all your social medias. Like, you can do it as different as you want to do it. This is just the way I did it. So it's very easy to do. I'm adding my images and I'm going to adjust it. It's very tedious again because you want to have it perfect on both sides. And it doesn't really tell you if it's perfect or it's aligned perfectly. So it takes time to do this as well. So I'm just going to fast forward. So once I've aligned it the way I wanted it to, we're going to go to Google, and then we're going to try to find the YouTube subscriber button that's transparent. And then once we find that, we're going to, I can't type apparently, but once we find that, we're going to save the image and go back to Fonto. And then we're going to add the image. And then you can honestly put it anywhere you want. It depends on your style. I had to pretty much kind of rearrange stuff, make my size a little smaller on certain things. And it fit perfectly. So now that we've successfully made our YouTube banner, we're going to save it. I saved it as a PNG and then I saved it as a project because I want to go back in and edit some things. But I'm going to show you also how it looks like as an image. As you can tell, everything's pretty much there. It probably won't be mine forever. It probably won't be my forever banner, but it is pretty cute, so I might keep that there for a while. So yeah, that's pretty much it for you guys today. I hope you guys learned from this. Very easy and simple. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you give this video a fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also subscribe to my social medias. I listed everything down below in the description box. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video.
Moonshine and Mali, feel the warmth, will never die.